Hello. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Hello po. It's me, David, and we are live. Hello po. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Isang maulan, hindi naman maulan. Isang makulimlim and cloudy afternoon here in Shibuya. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Good morning and good evening, whichever part of the world that you guys are watching. It's me again, David, and we are live. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Time check of the day is 15:19 in the afternoon. The intention po of this video is for me to share this amazing business opportunity that I have while learning and practicing po what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur. And also while unlocking our full potential through personal development. Nandito po tayo sa loob ng tunnel. I hope naririnig niyo po ako. I'm actually on my way to the station right now. And alam niyo naman ho, sa tuwing naglalakad ako, I'm always doing this daily life challenges. Ito yung mga topics na pinili ko that will help us in becoming a successful entrepreneur, and also that will help us develop through personal development. Ito po yung mga goals ko, and ang goals ko rin po ay makatulong sa mga taong gustong magkaroon ng negosyo, gustong matuto, at saka sa mga taong gusto pong maging better every single day, because that's my goal. And I'm hoping that makatulong ako sa inyong mga nanonood. So let's go straight away. The first topic po ngayon, pasensya na po, inuubo ako. Medyo malamig na po kasi sa Japan. Nagpapalit na ng season. Malamig na. So it's really autumn now. And naglalakad po tayo ngayon papunta sa station. Ang ating topic for today, I think this is one important topic pwede natin pag-usapan. It's all about delegating. Delegating effectively. Ito yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo eventually when your company is growing and if you don't have time. When I say delegating, ito yung parang pinapakiusap mo sa ibang tao, pinapagawa mo sa ibang tao. Magkaiba kasi yung inuutos eh. Ang pinagkaiba ng inuutos sa pinapagawa is kasi ang delegating, pinapagawa mo ang isang tao na mas marunong sa'yo sa isang aspeto. Like for me, for example, delegation. Hindi ako magaling sa mga paperworks. Let's say, yung mga kailangang sulat, yung mga ilalagay mo yung mga name, email, address, yung mga ganon. I'm not really good at that. So, pag kami mga ganong bagay, si I po ang nag-aasikaso nun. Delegating, okay? This is one important topic po, especially if we want to be successful at one point. Delegating means na sharing the load together. Hindi lang naman po ito yung inuutos mo sa ibang tao. Ito po ay, we are parang, let's say, teamwork. Because you guys are going to the same goals. Okay? So, bakit ba importante ang delegating? This is really important. Bigyan ko po kayo ng 3 benefit kung bakit po. Well, wait lang po, commercial. May inahabol yung police. Over there. Wow. First time ko po nakita yung commercial. Medyo maingay yung police kanina. So yun po, the 3 benefits na kaya kong ibigay pa yun. Ano po yung delegation? Delegating is sharing the load, sharing the responsibility so that everybody's strengths are put into use. Like what I was saying a while ago, pagka po meron kami in the business, kunyari, dealing in the forms, dealing in something requiring admin work, like for example, yung mga fill up, yung mga names and address, ay po yung pinapagawa ko doon because I can delegate it to her. Kasi meron po tayong benefits. Ang first benefit, it save time and energy. Pag po dinidelegate natin yung isang bagay, nakakatipid po tayo ng oras para meron tayong magawa dun sa oras na we are free. Like for example, ang pinaka-focus ko po kasi talaga right now is finding leads. Finding leads wherein I'm doing advertising, I'm refining my advertising. That's why yung mga, let's say for example, yung mga bagay po na, let's say for example lang po just in top of my head. Meaning kunyari, meron pong kailangan na gawin sa school. Si I po nagpupunta doon. Kunyari, meron mga emergency po na kailangan kunyari asikasuhin for Zoe. Ako po yung gumagawa because our time is more flexible than I. So yun po ang pinakamaganda sa delegation. You are saving time and you are saving energy. Kaysa po sa gawin mo, ibigay mo na lang sa ibang tao na alam mo mas makakatulong sa'yo, instead na pilitin mo pa yung sarili mo na ikaw yung gumawa. Yun po ang maganda sa delegation. Ang pangalawa is, it increases the efficiency. Like I said, binibigay po naman yung mga task na alam namin na nag-e-excel siya sa task na yon. Ako, hindi po binibigay sa akin ay yung mga gawaing nag-i-involve ng Japanese. First of all, hindi po ako nakakabasa ng Japanese. At hindi rin po ako gumagawa ng mga filing and stuff kasi hindi po ako masyadong magaling doon. Kaya yun po, we are increasing our efficiency by doing the things na malakas po kami doon. Okay? So yung third po is, ano ba yung pang-third? It prevents burnout. Ito naman po ang pinaka goal po talaga if you are delegating something. Kung kunyari po, meron po kayong anak na nasa tamang edad na, or meron kayong kapatid na wala naman pong ginagawa, you ask them to do something for you. It's really nice kasi it will prevent burnout. Kasi mas lalo na po ngayon in our generation, sobrang dami pong mga tao na they are suffering mental illness. Like for example po, yung mga over fatigue, overwork, tapos hindi po sila masyadong nakakalabas at hindi po sila nakakapagbigay ng oras sa sarili nila. So delegating po, it will help you actually tulungan kayo dun sa burden na sobrang dami sobrang dami yung kailangan gawin, sobrang dami yung iniisip, sobrang nakakapagod. So ayun po isa sa mga nagagawa ng pagiging ng effective delegation. So yun po, that is my 3 points for today. Let's just do a quick recap po bago ako magpaalam. So effective delegation, meron po siyang 3 benefits na binibigay. Ang first benefit bago ako magpaalam, it saves time and energy. Nakakatipid po tayo ng oras, nakakatipid po tayo ng energy if pinapagawa po natin sa ibang tao kaysa gawin po natin siya. Pangalawa, we are becoming more efficient. Where I say efficient, mas pinapagawa po natin yung mga bagay na kayang gawin ng ibang tao kaysa sa atin, di ba? So makakapag-focus po tayo sa iba. Like for example, me, I can focus more on creating advertisement. I can focus more on becoming better every single day. And the third one is it prevents burnout. When you are delegating something to another person, nagkakaroon po tayo ng free time at nagkakaroon po tayo ng nababawasan po ang ating stress, which can lead to decrease in burnout. So yun po, maraming salamat sa inyong oras. Salamat po at I hope na nakapag-add po ako ng value sa inyong afternoon. Yun naman po ang goal ko, na makatulong rin sa mga taong gusto maging better every single day. And also, makatulong ako sa mga tao na naghahanap ng negosyo. I have a really business. If you guys are looking for a business pero hindi nyo po alam kung saan kayo magsisimula, you are in the right video. We are doing digital marketing or what we call affiliate marketing. We use and leverage the power of the internet to find people and help people like you na gustong magbukas po ng negosyo. So if you don't have any idea kung anong gusto nyong gawin, pero gusto nyong magbukas ng negosyo, let me know. I can help you. We are this business can check the biggest question mark na tinatanong nyo sa sarili nyo. Like this business can do monetary independence, financial independence. This business can do it, and this business can also provide you a financial security and time security. When I say time security, because hindi na po natin kailangan magtrabaho ng 8 hours, then we can buy our time back. So you can have your time freedom na inyong inaasam. So yun po, I am actually here na in our station. Dito po ako sa Shibuya. Bago ako magpaalam, last look, there's the Google building over there. It's another Shibuya Hikari. There we go. Yan po, maraming salamat po sa panonood. And I hope that I added value to your afternoon, to your morning, or to your evening. Again, the intention of this live is for me to share this amazing business opportunity that we have. Also practicing and learning what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur. Also unlocking po our full potential to personal development. So I hope I added po something to your afternoon. I will see you guys again for my next live, which is tomorrow. Peace. Paalam po. Salamat.